Namaste everyone, welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. Today we are learning Devi Shatkam or Kalikayam Devi Shatkam. Before starting with, I hope most of you know the pronunciation guide, but still I would let you know the pronunciation guide that we will be using in this entire series of a Shloka learning. If the letter you will see in a bold, then make sure that you will stress the letter. On the top of the letter, if you find the line, make sure that you will extend the letter like A, E, U. Then if you see the letter N and L in a capital, then make sure the tongue tip has to touch upper palate like N, L. If you find the letter yes in a capital, then make sure you will feel that slight opening in your mouth when you say the letter sh. So these are the few pronunciation thing that you need to focus on as and when you progress your learning with my teaching, then you will understand the pronunciation in a better way. We'll start with the Devi Shatkam. The first stanza. Amba Shashibimba Vadane Kambugrive Kathora Tostress Kucha Kumbhe Bhestress Ambara Samana Madhye Dhestras Shamba Raripu Vairi Devi Mam Pahi Amba Shashibimba Vadane Kambugrive Kathora Kucha Kumbhe Ambara Samana Madhye Shambararipu Vairi Devi Mam Pahi. We'll go with the second stanza. Kunda Mukulagra Dantam Kunkuma Pankena Lipta Kucha Bharam Bhastras Anila Nila Deham Ambam Akhilanda, Akhi stress, Akhilanda Nayakim Vande Kunda Mukulagra Dantam Kunkuma Pankena Lipta Kucha Bharam Anila Nila Deham Ambam Akhilanda Nayakim Vande. We'll go with the third stanza. Sarigama Pada Nisa. Sarigama Pada Nisa Tam Tam. Veena. N in a capital, tongue tip passage upper palate. Veena. Sankranta. Charu Hastam. Tam. Shantam. Mrudula. Swantam. Kucha. Bharatantam. Bhastras Kucha Bharatantam Namami Shivakantam. Sarigama Padanisa Tantam Veena Sankranta Charuhastam Tam Shantam Mrudula Swantam Kucha Bharatantam Namami Shivakantam. We'll go with the fourth stanza. Arata Tata Ghatika Ghastras Juti Tadita Talika Pala Tatankam Veena N capital Vadana Veena Vadana Vela Kampita Shirasam Namami Matangim. Arata Tata Ghatika Juti Tadita Talika Pala Tatankam Veena Vadana Vela Kampita Shirasam Namami Matangim. We'll go with the fifth stanza. Veena, everywhere Veena N capital. Rasanu Shangam. sh, you will feel this slight opening in your mouth. Yes, in a capital. Veena rasanushangam. Vika vikacha madamoda. Vikacha madamoda. Vikacha madamoda. Madhuri dhustras. Bringam bhustras. Karuna n capital. Purita rangam. Karuna purita rangam. Kalaye. Matanga Kanyaka Pangam Karuna Purita Rangam Kalaye Matanga Kanyaka Pangam Veena Rasanushangam Vikachamada Moda Madhuri Bringam Karuna Purita Rangam Kalaye Matanga Kanyaka Pangam. We'll go with the sixth stanza. Daya Mana Dirgha Ghastras Nayanam. Daya Mana Dirgha Nayanam. Deshika Rupena. Rupena yan capital. Darshitabhyudayam. Darshitabhyubhyustras dayam. Vamakucha nihita veenam. Vamakucha nihita veenam. Veena yan capital. Varadam Sangeeta Matrukam Vande. Daya Mana Dirgha Nayanam. Deshika Rupena Darshitabhyudayam. Vamakucha Nihita Veenam. Varadam Sangeeta Matrukam Vande. We'll go with the seventh and the last stanza. This is the most popular one. You might have heard this one. Manikya Veena. Manikya N capital, Veena N capital. Mupalala Yantim. Mupalala Yantim. Madalasam. Madalasam. Manjula L capital. Vagvilasam. Manjula Vagvilasam. Mahendra Neeladyuti Komalangim. Mahendra Neeladyuti Komalangim. Matanga Kanyam Manasa Smarami. Matanga Kanyam Manasa Smarami. Manikya Veena Mupalalayantim. Madalasam Manjula Vagvilasam. Mahendra Neela Dyuti Komalangim. Matanga Kanyam Manasa Smarami. Iti Devi Shatkam. So here we complete the entire Devi Shatkam. We'll go with the tune or a normal chanting version. If you have any tune, then you can fix the tune and you can also. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Amba Shashi Bimbavadane Kambugrive Kathora Kumbhe. Ambara Samana Madhye Shambara Ripuvairi Devi Mam Pahi. Kunda Mukulagradantam Kunkuma Pankena Lipta Kuchabharam. Aniladeham Ambam Akilandanayakim Vande. सरिगमपदनिसतान्तां वीणा सङ्क्रान्तचारुहस्तां तां शान्तां मृदुलस्वान्तां कुचभरतान्तां नमामि शिवकान्ताम् अरटतटघटिकजूटी ताडिततालीकपालताटङ्काम् वीणावादनवेलकम्पितशिरसं नमामि मातङ्गीम् वीणारसानुषङ्गं विकचमदामोदमाधुरीभृङ्गं करुणापूरितरङ्गं कलये मातङ्गकन्यकापाङ्गम् दयामानदीर्घनयनां देशीकरूपेण दर्शिताभ्युदयाम् वामकुचनिहितवीणां वरदां सङ्गीतमातृकं वन्दे माणिक्यवीणामुपलालयन्तीं मदालसां मञ्जुळवाग्विलासाम् माहेन्द्रनीलद्युतिकोमलाङ्गीं मातङ्गकन्यां मनसा स्मरामि इति देवी षट्कं सम्पूर्णम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So this is one of the tune that you can take like this, which I have chosen on my own. But if you have any other tune, please feel free to go with a different tune. That's completely fine. So if you want to take it with a regular shloka chanting version, like Shuklam Baradaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam अम्बा शशिबिम्बवदने कम्बुग्रीवे कठोरकुचकुम्भे अम्बरसमानमध्ये शम्बररिपुवैरिदेवी मां पाहि कुन्दमुकुलाग्रदन्तां कुङ्कुमपङ्केन लिप्तकुचभाराम् आनीलनीलदेहाम् अम्बामखिलाण्डनायकीं वन्दे सरिगमपदनिसतान्तां वीणा सङ्क्रान्तचारुहस्तां तां शान्तां मृदुलस्वान्तां कुचभरतान्तां नमामि शिवकान्ताम् अरटतटघटिकजूटीताडिततालीकपालताटङ्काम् वीणावादनवेलाकम्पितशिरसं नमामि मातङ्गीम् वीणारसानुषङ्गं विकचमदामोदमादरीभृङ्गम् करुणापूरितरङ्गं कलये मातङ्गकन्यकापाङ्गम् दयामानदीर्घनयनां देशिकरूपेण दर्शिताभ्युदयाम् वामकुचनिहितवीणां वरदां सङ्गीतमातृकं वन्दे माणिक्यवीणामुपलालयन्तीं मदालसां मञ्जुळवाग्विलासां माहेन्द्रनीलद्युतिकोमलाङ्गीं मातङ्गकन्यां मनसा स्मरामि. So this is a little faster version and little different chanting version I have chosen. So please choose whichever is comfortable for you, or take any kind of a tune that you are comfortable with this, or you can go with the singing version as well. So here we complete the Devi Shatkam and meet you in another stotram in another video. If you have any doubt, any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. If you find any mistakes or corrections in the audio, please do let me know, and my sincere apologies for the mistakes that I have that might have done unknowingly. I'm really sorry about that one. See you in the next video. Namaste.